we will be seeing about the lambda function in Python. So, firstly, let us see the syntax. The syntax is lambda. Lambda is the keyword to define the lambda function. So, next we will be giving the argument. We can have any number of arguments passed to the lambda functions. Here we can give how like x, y, z, any number of arguments can be passed. Then we will be giving a colon. Colon will be a separating the arguments and the expression. Here a colon will be there which separate the arguments and the expressions. Column will be there. Then expressions, like we can give the expressions. A single expression to evaluate and return the resulting value. Only a single expression can be given. Let's see through an example. Mainly the lambda function is used for writing a single line code. Like we don't normally we know why if we are writing like to find a square of the number, we need to write a function for finding the square of a number. See, we will be passing the arguments. Then we will be calling the function. The same, here we find the square of the number. Same we can write using lambda as a single function. Like lambda, we will be giving first the argument x, expression. See, here we created a function. Now here, as you know, we had assigned the value to a function square. Then we will be calling that function. See, it can be executed in a single step. Okay. For example, next, if we need to give a list of numbers, like we need to find the square of a list of numbers. Normally, what we will be doing for finding the list of the numbers, we will be iterating to the steps. We will be iterating the steps, then only we can get the square of the list. Okay, here in using lambda function, we can solve it in a single step. Squares is equal to, let's give another name, list. We should use the keyword list. For solving the list values, we will be using the map functions. I will explain about the map function on the next video. Same code we will be giving. Here in map function, the syntax is like map, the keyword map, function in and parameters. Here we are using this function and the parameters are passing, like numbers, the parameters are passing. Okay. So let's print. So here you can see we just printed the output. Okay, this is how we are passing the list, finding the square of list of the numbers. So the lambda function syntax is like function is equal to lambda, like expressions. If we are giving two expression x and y, then we will be giving a colon x into y. Okay, or x plus y, we can give anything like that. This is the no, sorry, this is the x for lambda function. Okay, so if we have many input and only one expressions, we can use the lambda functions for many input and one functions. Also lambda functions can be used along with map, filter, etc., for making it more simple, the code more simple. Okay, thank you.